Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to learn how to install VirtualBox on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So VirtualBox is an application through which you can install different operating systems. So if you want to try different OS on your computer, like Linux or other Windows versions, then you can install VirtualBox. So for that, you just need to open any of your favorite browser, and at the very top, so you need to type VirtualBox space download and hit enter. So the results will come like this, and here we get the option https virtualbox.org. So please make sure that you are downloading from the VirtualBox organization website, not from any other website. So I'll just click on that and a window will appear like this. So once the website is opened, you will find Windows host, OS X host, Linux distribution and Solaris. So since we are trying to install it on Windows 10 or Windows 11, so we will click on Windows host. So once you do that, a small file will be downloaded. The size of the file is 100 MB, so it's opening in 9 seconds. Once the downloaded file is open, it will look like this. So this is a setup. Welcome to Oracle VirtualBox. So this is a 6.1.26 version setup. So we just have to click on next, and here we can change the location. Currently I can see the location of the file it's going to install on C. We can change the location of VirtualBox. Click on browse, and from here the drop down will come, and from here you can change the location, and once you are satisfied, you just need to click on OK and then click on next. Now it will give many entries like create start menu entries, create a shortcut on desktop, register file associations. So you can leave that as it is and then click on next. So it will give you a warning network interface. Installing the Oracle VM VirtualBox networking feature will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from network. Proceed with installation now. So we will click on yes, and then we will click on install. Now it will not take much time to install VirtualBox on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Once you click on that, it will ask you to say yes to allow this app to make changes, and it's started copying new files on the computer, and a new window will appear. Would you like to install this device software, Oracle Corporation? So we just have to click on install again, and it's writing, and I can see the Oracle VirtualBox icon has appeared on the desktop. So here I can see Start Oracle is check marked, and we just need to click on finish. So once you do that, VirtualBox will be installed, and from here if you want to install any OS, you just need to click on new, and here you can give a name.